just ready for a nap. Or maybe just a hot tub dip. Let's see how we feel in a few minutes. Ah, it's dark in here. There you go. It's time for a road trip. Our little luggage bags are already right there. And we're starting to load up the bikes because we are leaving for the Rocky Mountains this morning. 4-day trip. Jasper, Banff, Fairmont Hot Springs, Nelson, back to Kelowna. Pegged up. First official travel use of the Onyx backpack as well. Look at those two beauties.
Here to go. First guest stop.
Exactly.
Oh.
Well, after the start that we wanted to fill up yesterday, theoretically.
Oh, we did say on the way.
Yeah, but originally. Classic bagel belt and a meal with a medium double. We made it out to our first bigger stop. We filled up in West Kelowna, filled up in Kamloops, and now we're in Clearwater for Tim Hortons breakfast, aka brunch. It's 11 o'clock now. We're on the road pretty much for 4 hours. Oh, butt starts to hurt.
Hello.
Hello. Did you lock the forks?
Huh?
You locked the forks?
Yeah.
Off to the gas station. Oh, of course, now I have the hiccups. And our journey continues. All filled up, we're leaving Clearwater and making our way now to Blue River. Oh, that's annoying.
A few moments later.
That's beautiful. Show me, show me, show me. First 10,000 kilometers on the Softail Slim since last July, so pretty much a year. So glad that we actually could take a picture of the 10K. Fill up one more time before we are like completely in the Rockies and have a sip of water. I'm thirsty. So far so good. And no bugs on the land so far. That's a win. Coffee break number 2, or bigger coffee break number 2. Look at those beauties. Photo time! We have Mount Robson behind us. There are so many options. Let's go with the left one. So we are stopping for our snack, and the snack will come with a few because we have this one right in our fuel line. Here, where is it? There. There. Lunchtime. You just could sit there and spend the entire day looking at the mountain and not get bored for sure. But here. Beautiful. I guess it depends. It depends if he's in the middle of it or just on the side or... In the middle of the street. Man, that's a tough question. Probably just try to, like from afar, still try to ref a little bit to see if he would walk away. But otherwise I would say turn around, wait 10 minutes and try again. Because the last thing I want would be the bear getting scared and trying to jump at us. and take us off the bike. And there we almost missed the yellowhead viewpoint. That was a close one. Look at this one. So we almost made it to Jasper, just about another half an hour left. And then I think it's 3 o'clock. And we're just about to be in Alberta.
Right. Now we're in a different time zone.
We're living in the future.
Almost. Not yet.
Jasper National Park.
Hello.
Hey.
Yes.
For how many days?
We'll be here today and tomorrow, right?
Yeah.
And then after that, are you going down to Lake Louise or Banff?
Yes. So it'll be today Jasper and tomorrow we leave for Banff.
Okay, and are you spending any nights in Banff or Lake Louise?
No.
Okay. So then the one day passes until 4 o'clock tomorrow. Would that be enough time to get you through Banff for like 2 days?
No.
No.
4 o'clock is totally fine actually.
Okay,
Yeah.
so it's $21, please.
Do we have to display it on the bike somehow?
Well, you'll just keep it in your pocket, and then
Okay.
tomorrow when you're driving down the Icefields Parkway, there is another kiosk on the road. You'll just need to show the pass. That'll be better.
Okay. Perfect.
Thank you. That was very easy. Jasper, welcome. That's a sad sign.
Yeah.
We made it to our Jasper hotel. How comfy is the bed? Let me give you guys a super quick tour, but let me turn on the light here first. Woo! So we have a little vanity right here after we come in from the door, which is totally fine. Then we have, of course, a bed, a little lounge chair, fridge, microwave TV, little table area, the bed, of course. Then in here we have a nice shower and a toilet, and that's really all we need. And almost the best part of this room here is, like, when we look outside here, you can see our bikes right there. It's perfect. 646.9 for 1 day worth of riding. Not bad, I'd say. We freshened up a little bit, and now it's time to hunt down some dinner. Some beer and food, and then let's see what we're going to be up to for the rest of the day. We're all stuffed and happy and just ready for a nap, or maybe just a hot tub dip. Let's see how we feel in a few minutes.
Feel it in my bones, I can feel it in my veins. Hands in the sky, I can feel the winds of change. You live and you learn, and I hope I've seen enough to make something right and make up for what I've